नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, ॲफिलेटेड बाय स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड. Good morning, all the student of class BSc-SY, subject Zoology, semester 4th, paper number 8, name of the paper Cell Biology and Genetics, unit number 1st. In this, that is the second topic, cell organelles. Today's topic, lysosome structure. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Yes, student, in the last period, we see the different cell organelles like plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, etc. Today we learn about lysosome. In this, that is, we study about their introduction, definition, history, origin, occurrence, structure of lysosome, polymorphism and function of lysosome. So yes, that is the lysosome. Lysosome are the spherical organelles that contain the enzyme acid hydrolase. They break up food so it is easier to digest. They are found in the animal cell, while in the yeast cell and plant cell, the same roles are performed by lactic vacuoles. Lysosomes were discovered by the Belgian cytologist Christian D. Douay in 1955 and named as suicide bag or the suicide sac. Thus, generally, lysosome is commonly known as suicide bag. Origin of lysosome. Lysosome may originated from the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi membrane from the process of budding off. Novikov 1960 found that acid phosphatase, one of the characteristic enzyme of the lysosome. Lysosome. Anatomy of the lysosome, that is also in the figure. Plasma membrane, lipid bilayers, hydrolytic enzyme mixture, that is the structure of lysosome. Prokaryotes do not have lysosome, but some hydrolases have been located outside the cell. Lysosome found in the higher animal. Lysosomes are the globular and range in the diameter from 0.2 to 0.8 micron. Under the electron microscope, lysosome appear dense and finely granular. Lysosome is essentially a sphere of lipoprotein membrane containing enzyme. The membrane insulates the enzyme from the rest of the cell. If the enzymes are realized, they can digest the cell, and hence the lysosome are sometimes called as suicide bag. Lysosomal membrane. Lysosomes are bounded by a single lipoprotein membrane. The membrane is impermeable to substrate of the enzymes contained in the lysosome. Certain substances called labilizers cause instability of the lysosomal membrane, leading to release of enzyme from the lysosome. Lysosome. Other substances called stabilizers have a stabilizing action of the membrane. Labilizers, for example, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin K, vitamin E. Stabilizers, for example, cholesterol, cortisol. Molecular weight and molecular structure play an important part in the permeability of the lysosomal membrane. Compound having a molecular weight higher than 200 do not diffuse through the membrane. This is in the figure. Structure of lysosome. primary lysosome, secondary lysosome. Fusion forms the secondary lysosome from the Golgi apparatus Golgi complex. Lysosome contain the three types of enzyme nucleases, which include the ribonuclease and deoxyribonuclease, break down polynucleotide into the nitrogen base, phosphate and pentose sugar, phosphatase, acid phosphatase, break down phosphate ester to the monophosphate. Third is the lipases, lipids, break down them into the fragments, protein, break down into their constituent amino acid, glycosidase, beta glucosidase, beta glucocorneidase, beta alpha mannose break down into the polysaccharide to the monosaccharide. Sixth enzyme is sulfatase, acts on sulfur esters breaking down into the fragment. Lysosomes show the polymorphism in the different cell types and even within the single cell. Previously, there are the two types of lysosome, primary and secondary lysosome. The latter are of three types: phagosomes, residual bodies, itophagoules. Lysosome. Primary lysosome is formed from endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. The enzyme of the primary lysosome are synthesized by ribosome. It can secrete its enzyme outside the cell or store them. Second is the phagosome is formed by the phagocytosis and pinocytosis of foreign material. The phagosome associated with the primary lysosome and undergoes the function to form the secondary lysosome. Third is the residual body, is the final particle containing the indigestible material. It is formed when the digestion is incomplete. Then fourth, the autophagous vacuoles or the itophagosome is a lysosome containing some part of cell in the process digestion. Now the different phases of lysosome also in the figure: primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, phagocytic vacuole, phagosome, plasmalemma, different phases of lysosome. So this is the structure of lysosome. Next period we see the function of lysosome.